Welcome to the Vintage Girl Next Door. My name is Lacey Faye, and today I'm going to show you how to do this poodle hairstyle. Hello. Alright, last night I washed my hair and I slept in pillow rollers, as you can see, so they are now dry and super curly, so we're going to take them out. I didn't use any setting lotion or anything, I just used a little bit of the Big Sexy Hair Root Pump because I'm out of everything else. And so then I just finger comb through the curls, just kind of loosely break up the curls a little bit, and we're fluffy. We're going to take our teasing comb and our Big Sexy Hair Get Layered hairspray, and we're going to tease in small sections over the whole top crown of our head. And I'm using the Get Layered right here because, like I said, my hair is freshly washed, so it's pretty smooth and not as easy to tease. So I spray a little bit of the Get Layered hairspray on there, and then it gives it a little bit of texture so I can give it a good tease.
Serve it generously with love. One man, one wife, one love. Memories are made of this. Memories are made of this.
Well, like I said, small sections around the crown of the head, and I go to just about an inch above my ear. And then we're going to do the same exact thing on the other side. And you want to leave that little bit of hair unteased above your ear because we're going to comb that up and pin it, so it's good to have that still smooth. Yikes. My husband said, "You're gonna put this on the internet?" Well, I mean, there's a process, okay? Vintage hair is a process, and it looks super crazy and scary for like 80% of the hairdo before it comes together. Maybe 90% really. So I just did a little bit of teasing in the back, giving it a little more spray with the Get Layered, and now I'm taking my bobby pins and we're gonna start pinning up the hair. So I'm just combing small sections up so that they are flat against my head, and then I'm using my bobby pins to pin them into place. And that's part of the reason for all the teasing, is so that we can get a good base and like a good little nest for our bobby pins and for our hair to be pinned up and stay. So I'm just going to do the same thing all around my head, just comb up a little section at a time and then pin it into place, spray it, and then move on to the next little section. And continue around the back of your hair. Spraying and pinning and combing. Try to get it as smooth as you can. Sometimes with a tight curl like what I have, it's hard to get it completely smooth, but just do your best, it'll be fine. Now I am taking some sections in the front and I just section off a piece of hair, and then I am going to roll it around my fingers. Just kind of smooth the curl around your fingers and then roll it down into the front and pin it. It's So I like to have some curls in the front that are more well defined, and then the poofy curls on the top. So yeah, just shaping and pinning and spraying as I go. And I usually end up with 3 or 4 more structured curls across the front. So I'm just taking another section, smoothing out the curl that's already in the hair, and then rolling it around my fingers. I don't know why I'm making that face, I'm sorry.
These are the dreams you will savor.
It's important to just not get overwhelmed with this hairstyle because it really is like a mess for a lot of the time until all of a sudden it just comes together. So just take a little piece at a time and roll your little curls the way you want them and shape them, and then you can worry about the fluffy mess on top after. Okay, so now we've got the front part looking the way we want it. We're just gonna take little random sections, and I just kind of smooth them and roll them down into the curl that it kind of already has, just so that it doesn't look as frizzy, I guess. So I just roll the curls around my fingers and kind of just place them so they're a little bit more defined. And then the rest, so once I have a few good ones in the front, the rest of it I just kind of mold into place. And then you can stick some bobby pins wherever you need them to create the shape that you want and to hold the curls in place. You can see that it looks scary, 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 and then all of a sudden it just comes together. So never fear while you are doing this. You can do it, just power through and keep molding and keep pinning and spraying.
These are the dreams you will savor. With its blessings from above. Serve it generously with love.
And I'm just sticking pins in wherever I feel like it needs some support and added shape.
Memories are made of this. Memories are made of this.
I'm just reworking that curl because it was being a jerk and I wanted it to look better.
Take one fresh and tender kiss. Add one stolen
There,
night of bliss.
take that.
One girl, one boy, some grief.
Now we're taking the big guns, big sexy spray and play, and the blow dryer that I know you love. We're spraying it and then we're gonna cement it into place with our blow dryer. You wanna make sure it's on the low setting, but high on the heat. So hot, but low air.
On mine, to sip of wine. Memories are
have it. Poodle hair. We did it.
These are the dreams you will savor.
Strike a pose, because you have a poodle hairdo.
Blessings from above. Serve it generously.
Thanks so much for watching my poodle hair tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, feel free to give it a like and feel free to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to do a lot more of these tutorials and other fun vintagey things. So if you want to see more of that, then hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.
Sweet, sweet memories you gave me. It can't be the memories you gave me. Take one fresh and tender kiss. It can't be the memories you gave me.